Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about solving a multi-step equation involving a single logarithm, problem type 1. Now, if you'd like to see a video on the steps to solving a logarithmic equation, you can go to a video titled Solving an Equation of the Form log BA equals C. And that will have the steps. But the first step on that is to first get everything with a log on one side, everything else on the other, which this is already done for us because we only have one log. The second step is to combine logs, which is already done for us because we only have one log. And then the third step is to put it into exponential form, which is 3 to the 1 power equals negative 2x plus 13. The fourth step is to solve for x. 3 to the 1 power is 3 equals negative 2x plus 13. Subtract 13 from both sides, we'll get negative 10 equals negative 2x. Divide by negative 2 and we'll get 5 equals x. Now remember, we always need to check. The log base 3 of negative 2 times 5 plus 13 is the log base 3 of what? Negative 10 plus 13, which is the log base 3 of 3. That's a positive number, and if we put it in exponential form, it will equal 1. So this is our solution for this problem type. And those problem types are as simple as that.